up, guys? Here's day 2. We're at it again.
Day 2, baby. Hey, guess what? Fresco is surviving Sema. He was complaining yesterday about his feet.
Yeah, I was wearing my high heels. My ankles were hurting.
He looked good though. He looked really good.
Yeah, actually, we took a few model pictures. No, I'm just kidding. So we're gonna see what today we're going to another section, right?
Well, yeah. Today we're gonna be spending a little bit more time outside. You're a big fan of the lifted stuff.
Yeah, the trucks and the Jeeps.
Fresco likes the lifted stuff. As a matter of fact, after, while you're watching this video from day 1, let us know if you like the lifted stuff or you like,
Yeah, well, what's your favorite?
Well, what's your favorite? The
cars?
Jeeps?
Yeah. Basically, it's a lot of trucks. So I guess it's a truck market. I don't know.
The lifted truck market is big here in Sema. Where we going?
I don't know. We lost.
We lost. All right.
All right. So let's go. Oh, that's cool. I wanted to catch the train. We're walking the streets.
You can see there's a lot of people walking with us.
Yeah. We're all gonna get them in for free.
Yes. They all were like, oh, we're gonna hang out with Fresco Channel. He gets it for free.
Yeah. So they're coming along too. All right. So we're walking in. Ooh.
See, look, he's trembling right now.
Oh, look at that food truck.
That's what Jerry wants. White on white.
Whoa, look at that Jeep.
Yeah, just that ride's good.
All right, guys, this is pretty cool. You see all our design that you see on the truck? He's actually doing it by hand with a Dremel. We spoke to him and he told him it takes him about 1,500 hours to get a whole truck design. Also, what he can do is add clear coat to it or even color paint.
Lay the bees out. Right. Guys, so we're here at Sema again, day 2. Check this out behind me. How are you even supposed to drive this? I'll be afraid to go through a little puddle. What you think, man?
Well, hey, listen, you guys really want to see how big this truck is? Check this out. How you get up here? Hey, how you gonna get inside the truck?
Put together using old and flex.
Can't get up.
Let me see. Where's the door handle at? It's on your. The door handle's way above you.
I guess it has a step.
So look,
But I guess right there.
you're reaching up to open the door.
Yeah.
How tall are you?
6 foot. So imagine this. It's pretty big.
Stand next to the tire.
Flex was pretty strong.
What is it? 30s.
What? How big?
30 inches. Wow. I guess by, I don't know, 16, 18. They're big. Should I put this on my truck? What do you think? Can I pull the boat with it? I don't know.
Let me know what you guys think about this truck. Will you drive it? Will you not?
This is a first. This is our first 28-inch rim dually. Right here, 20-inch rim dually. Super cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh, 28-inch rim.
Now, how cool can you get? A charcoal gray dually on 20-inch rims with airbags. And how can you get any more cooler? Have a matching Lamborghini with the same color. What about that? What do you guys think? You think that's pretty cool? Owning the truck and the Lambo? Let me know.
Hey guys, welcome to Sema 2019. Welcome to the Fresco Channel. You guys come for the cars and the trucks, and they also come for the ladies.
Time to have some fun at Sema Miami Sandbar Lifestyle.
Think? You guys are mesmerized as much as I am? I mean, I don't know, it's just outrageous. This is exactly, look guys, these are 44s, 30-inch rims. Now, I don't know how big can you get, but this is super cool right here. Look at that, it's just anywhere you look, it's just gorgeous. Look at this thing, another one on 30-inch rims. Oh my god. Look at that.
What's up, Flex Hands? We have no line right now. Free Flex Move for anybody that walks up. All we have is free packets of Flex Move for anybody that walks up.
If all that walking around, dancing, and having some fun with the girls from Willfire, our appetite kind of built up. So we're here catching hot dogs, well, a few hot dogs, and then we're gonna go ahead and keep walking around. Maybe go back inside the convention center. But remember, stay tuned for more videos of this once in a lifetime experience at Sema.